MeghalayaPost.news.
Keyboard District Jonkari Bhoi mentaka singi ka arpulai tarip kula Lincoln kila mentaban Rakhe ya National Voters Day ya ka bala pendong Circuit House DC Office nongpoh kumban supentem ya ka National Voters Day la Rakhe haman la ka arpusan tarip kula Lincoln Henry mentaus nam la Rakhe no ha ka arpulai tarip kula Lincoln namar ba ka arpusan tarip kula Lincoln kadai ka singi ublai hagani ka jing Rakhe lawan ban mentan da ka kong birani ADC kari Bhoi kum ka kong san ha ka jingi don lang uba ering ADC bar uba deiru BDO umling CNR di belong lembat QA officer hagani ka singila penong ru ya ka extempo speech ban nakaliang kinong pania kila samru da ka khusnam sha kinong job ban haju ka por la samru ya ka eping shiki first voters habakut jongani ka jing Rakhe ka National Voters Day la penong ru da ka jingya rally hapo ka jingilam jong ka mera yuva bharat riboi ka balong shibanta jong ka jing Rakhe ka National Voters Day ka bala sedang na Circuit House DC Office nongpoh bat penkut pat ha Indo Stadium umling kadan nongpoh
I would like to welcome you to this arena where you are now a full-time participant of democracy. As we know, we have a country which is also known as the biggest democracy in the world. We have a population of more than 1 billion people, and we have a population of people under 35 years of age. We have about 65% of people in India who are below 35 years of age. So the new voters today, you have become a full-fledged citizen today, because when we talk about vote, when we talk about the right of the people to vote, we also have to remind ourselves that voting is not just a right, it is also a responsibility. So the Election Commission of India has established or has endeavored to bring an awareness to all the citizens who are eligible to vote the importance of the National Voters Day. In its vision and in its endeavor to garner more participation from our young people, the National Voters Day, I would like to tell you, was first established in 2011, where we had celebrated the participation or the coming of the first-time voters. So today we can see quite a number, and I would like to congratulate all the BLO who has been able to mobilize the first-time voters to come and collect your epic today. As I was sitting here, I was listening to the song, which is so patriotic, and thank you once again to the Rakhe group. They've always been ready to entertain us, to add color and pomps and ceremony to a small program over here with their talent. Thank you once again. And I believe that most of you who have come today, the first-time voters, have also participated in the on-the-spot extempore speech competition in the country today, because you have the courage, you have the chance, you have the power to change the condition of your living, the change condition of your country by exercising your vote, which I have told you from the beginning, it's not just a right. Voting is also a responsibility. So I would not like to take so much time, but I'd just like to remind once again to everyone present here, from our officers, the election team, our BLO, to work tirelessly to encourage people to come forward, to participate, to enroll. So as you have, you'll be getting your epic shortly. I would like you also to mobilize, to inspire your peers, your contemporaries, your friends who have not enrolled themselves in electoral roll, those who have reached the eligible age of 18 years of age or citizen of India. They are all, entitled to come for enrollment and be enrolled in the electoral process.
meghalayapost.news